explains you the Bayes theorem from the probability. This is the most important essay question from the probability. So this is the statement. The question is state and prove Bayes theorem on the probability. So first we have to write the statement, and for this statement 2 marks are awarded in the public examination. So this is the statement. Suppose E1, E2 and so on En are n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events of a random experiment with P of A not equal to 0 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n, and for any event A of the random experiment with P of A not equals to 0, then this is the answer. P of Ek by A is equals to P of Ek into P of A by Ek by summation I is equals to 1 to n, P of Ei into P of A by Ei for I is equals to 1, 2 and so on n. So this is the statement of the proof. Half of the proof is completely involved in the statement. So when you know the statement, you can write half of the proof to this theorem. So let us start the proof. Proof is equals to, just I take the given data first. So what is the given data? So here some events are given. E1, E2 and so on En are the events of a random experiment. So first I write that. Given that, what is given first? E1, E2 and so on En are n mutually exclusive events. So the meaning of the mutually exclusive events is, mutually exclusive means the intersection of the two events is equals to phi. That is, the meaning of mutually exclusive events is Ei intersection Ej is equals to phi for 1 less than or equals to I less than or equals to n, and 1 less than or equals to j less than or equals to n. What are I comma j here? We can take I is equals to any of the value from 1 to n, and j is equals to any of the value from 1 to n. So these are the mutually exclusive events, which the meaning is equal to this one. Means here the two sets are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means intersection is equals to phi. So this is the meaning of the mutually exclusive events. What is the second point? Given that these events are mutually exhaustive events, mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive, and given that E1, E2 and so on En are mutually exhaustive events, and the meaning of mutually exhaustive events is union of all these sets is equals to sample space. The union of all these sets, that is equals to union I is equals to 1 to n Ei is equals to s. That is union I is equals to 1 to n Ei is equals to s. What is your sample space? So this is the meaning of the mutually exhaustive events. And what is given? And what is given for any event A of the random experiment? Also one other event is given that A be one event of the random experiment. A be one event of random experiment. So this is the given data. Given that these are the mutually exclusive events, means intersection is equals to phi. These are the mutually exhaustive events, meaning union is equals to s. And for any event A of the random experiment, that is also given that A is one event. And also given that probabilities of all events are not equal to 0. P of A not equal to 0, P of A not equal to 0. And given that P of Ei not equal to 0. P of Ei, that is probability value not equal to 0 here. Clearly given this value for I is equals to 1, 2 and so on n. And P of A not equal to 0. These are all the given values. Now we have to show that this result. So first I take that since S is the sample space, A is subset of S. We know that S is the sample space of the random experiment. So what is the relation between the sample space and the event? Always the event is subset of the sample space, which implies clearly we can tell that A is subset of S. A is subset of S means what is A intersection S value? A is equals to A intersection S. For example, I take that here 1, 2. So what is the relation between 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Obviously we take that 1, 2 is subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now just take the intersection of these two sets. What is the intersection? Intersection value of these two sets is equals to common elements. What are the common elements? 1, 2. Obviously intersection set gives the first set. So clearly intersection set of these two sets is equals to A here. A is equal to A intersection S. That is A is equals to A intersection. But what is S value? Here we have that S is equal to this value. Replace that value here. union I is equals to 1 to n ei. S is equals to this value. So this is equals to, which implies A is equals to A intersection. Just expand this one. So what we get? E1 union E2 union and so on En. Just take the expansion. Union I is equals to 1 to n. E1 union E2 union and so on En, which implies it becomes A intersection E, distributive law. A intersection Ei union A intersection E2 union and so on A intersection En. So just applying the distributive law. A intersection E1 union A intersection E2 union A intersection En. In the next step, I apply the probability on both sides, that is P of A is equals to P of A intersection E1 union A intersection E2 union and so on A intersection En. Just applying the probability to this equation. And one known formula here, intersection E2 is equals to 5. Then the value of P of E1 union E2 is equals to P of E1 plus P of E2. The value of P of E1 union E2 is equals to P of E1 plus P of E2. So this is the formula. Now apply this formula here. So first I take that A intersection EI intersection A intersection EG. What is this value? This is equals to, all are intersection symbols. So I take A intersection only once here. A intersection EI intersection EJ. A intersection EI intersection A intersection EJ. A is the common set. What are I comma j values? I comma j values lies between 1 to n. I comma j belongs to here 1 to n. The values of I means I take the values 1 to n, j takes the values 1 to n. And what is this value? A intersection, already at the starting we take that this value is equals to 5. Since these are the mutually exclusive events, intersection is equals to 5. And what is A intersection 5? A intersection 5 is equals to 5. So A intersection B is equal to 5 means what is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B. These two sets are disjoint sets means union is equal to P of E plus P of 2. Observe that these two sets are disjoint sets. Then what is union value? P of A intersection E I union A intersection E J is equals to, this is in the form of E1 union E2. What is the answer? P of E1 plus P of E2. So this value is equals to P of A intersection EI plus P of A intersection EJ. So this is the formula. Now apply that formula to the above equation. Now apply this formula to this one. So here in place of unions I take that P of first set plus P of second set plus and so on P of last set. Just applying that formula to this one. Therefore value of P of A is equals to, so what is this total answer? P of A plus P of A intersection E1 plus P of A intersection E2 plus and so on P of A intersection En. So this is the formula, the most important step. So this is equals to, therefore the value of P of A is equals to sigma I is equals to 1 to n P of A intersection Ei. 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is, so sigma I is equals to 1 to n P of A intersection Ei. Now what is the multiplication theorem formula? P of A intersection B is equals to P of B into P of A by B. The formula for multiplication theorem, P of A intersection B is equals to P of B into A by B. Just applying that formula here. Therefore P of A is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to P of B. What is B set? P of EI into P of A by B. P of A by EI. Now this is the value of P of A. So now we take the LHS and replace these values in the LHS. Now I take the LHS. What is LHS of the statement? P of EK by A. And what is P of A by B formula? From this equation, what is P of A by B? P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B by P of B. So this is the formula of P of A by B. So I take this formula from this equation. So this is P of A by B. Now applying that formula. So this is equals to P of A by B. What is the answer? A intersection B. P of ek intersection A by P of B. P of B is equals to P of A. So this is equals to formula. Again the second formula for P of A intersection B is equals to P of A into P of B by A. We take any of the two formulas for P of A intersection B. Here I take the formula P of ek into P of A by ek by P of A. What is P of A answer? Here already we have that P of A is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to n P of ei into P of A by ei. So this is the answer. That is equals to RHS. Therefore P of ek by A is equals to P of ek into P of A by ek by sigma I is equals to 1 to n P of ei into P of A by ei. So this is the proof. Very easy proof. Most important essay question.